Today we are going to go through a mid-range combine and talk about the fundamentals. We have an AFS universal display. Most of the guys have been updating to the Pro 600 and the Pro 700 just for the better features that they offer. If we were to have to do a yield calibration, we would go into calibration mode. We need to select sensor. So here is the feeder chain adjustment slot. We want to make sure that we have the exact same measurement on both sides. Level out the concave hanger. Make sure that we have the exact same measurement in the front here, from the bottom of the cage to the top of your concave hanger, to the back here as well. And we're just going to visually inspect it all and make sure that there is nothing broke, that our main frame isn't broke. This machine here is set up for corn. If we were to set this up for wheat, we would be going with an 1 1/8" bottom sieve. If you replace this knife here that is busted, replace that third one in on the other side as well, because these are balanced. We want to check that our rotary air screen brushes are good and that they are making contact with our rotary air screen, so that way they can clean all the chaff and the sucrose off the rotary air screen.